What's up guys, Brad here with Shiny Tech Things, where we take things seriously. And on today's Tech Support Tuesday, I'm going to show you if you have a slow NVMe drive on Windows 11, there may be a patch for you to go ahead and install to restore the performance that your system once had. So let's get started. So the update in question is KB5007262. Now your system might already have it installed. To go ahead and check that particular one, we'll go ahead and just right click on the start button and go to Windows Terminal as admin. Next, we'll go ahead and type in system info, pipe that into find string, and then go ahead and throw double quotes around the KB patch number. And go ahead and hit return. Now, if it doesn't return anything, either it is not installed or it was already installed as part of another update and you don't need this one particularly installed. But let's go ahead and find out. So since my system is a 64-bit based system, I can come on over here and click on download. And then just go ahead and download the file. And yes, the file name actually says Windows 10, but up here, again, it says Windows 11. Once it's downloaded, we'll go ahead and install it. And here it says that this update is not applicable to your computer. But if it was applicable to your machine for this particular issue, then it will go ahead and install. Let me know if this helped you out, and I'll catch you in the next one.